Okay, let's install the label. First, go across the printer. Put under the printer. Okay. Go across here. Go through the sensor. Okay. Go through under this one. Second one under this one. And move it up. Go out from here. Turn off. Okay. Go down here. Okay. Go insert this one between first and two. Insert and
Show download.
move it down. Move it down. See, like this. Okay. Move it down. Okay. Get it out. Then go through here. And go back. Okay, so fix it. Fix the label here. Okay, that's it. So after install the label, we have to adjust the position of the printer. Just release this screw. Just release this screw and move the printer what you want to print on the label. So you can see there's where's the position to print. So just move this part to place where you want to print.